A new feature within Joomla is called content versioning. What this is it basically shows you different versions that you've created. So every time that you save a page, it will be listed under versions in order for you to be able to go back and reference if, let's say, for example, I'm on this getting started page and I accidentally delete a good chunk of the page, and that's not really what I wanted to do, but before realizing it or without thinking about it, I click on save. So now that I've clicked save, the content is gone. There's nothing I can do. I can't undo it. What I can do is I can go up and click on this versions button, and this is going to pull up all of my previous versions. And I can see here when I created it. I can see if anybody added a note about it. I can see how many characters there were, so I can clearly see what's there now and what was there previously. There's a big difference in how many words were there. So what I can do is I can click on the date and it will pull up my text, and I can say, okay, yes, this is the one I wanted. So I can simply click the checkbox next to it and click restore. And as you'll see, now this is going to bring back the article that I had created. And all my content is back. So now I can click save if I want to. Another useful feature is that if I'm not sure which version I wanted, I can select 2 or more versions and I can click on the compare button. This is going to pull up the side-by-side comparison of what I have now with the ones that I checked, so I can scroll through and see what the differences are in the articles. Then I can go back and I can select the right one and click on restore. Before clicking save, you can also type in a version note. So let's say I'm going to remove the logging in section. I can just make a quick note that that's what I'm doing in this version, and I can click save and close. So the next time that I go back into this article, if I decide, you know what, I do want that logging in section there, I can go back to versions. I can see the note appear here, so I will know that this is the version that I want. And then when I have the version that I would like, I can go ahead and click save and close, and that will save that version as my final version.